Hope today you all are fine, and today we learn about German irregular verb conjugation. Yeah, irregular verb we have already covered the regular verbs. Today we will cover the irregular verb conjugation in German language. Let's see. Verbs, these are the normal irregular verb that we use in our daily life in German language. This is start with the Essen, to eat, geben, to give, sprechen, to speak, lesen, to read, sehen, to see, tragen, to wear, laufen, to run, fahren, to drive, nehmen, to take. These are the normal irregular verbs that we use in our life, and today we learn about the conjugation of these verbs, how we conjugate them according to the subject. Verb conjugation. Today, first we see the conjugation of the verb essen, geben, sprechen, because they follow the same pattern. In these verbs, and e, this e, this e, and this e changes to I. And what is the difference between regular and irregular verb? Regular verb are those verbs which follow the same pattern that we have already learned that, and irregular verb which does not follow the same pattern. So it gets changed, and the change will happen only on these two. With these two subject, like er, sie, es, third person, second person. He, she, it, tu. The change will happen. Let's see how we conjugate them, these three verbs. Essen, the same format that we follow. Remove en, then add e. First we do essen, same that we follow in regular verb. This is also same. We remove en and add t. This is also same as we do in regular verb. Now the difference between regular and irregular you can see here. Ist. Here e become I. So I double st, ist. Here also ist. E become I. This is an irregular verb. Irregular verb change only happen in these two. Here also, all other places we follow the same as we follow in regular verb. Gebe, geben, gibt, geben. And these two places, where e become I, yeah, like this, gives, gibt. Yeah, same thing happened with the expression, sprache with ish, with du is spricht. E become I, and there is no other change. We had a st, and here we do not have third s because 2s is already there. Spricht, here also, spricht, e become I. Okay, now let's see in the another what all we can change in the German conjugation, irregular verb. Now we read about take the verb lesen and sehen. Lesen and sehen. And how we conjugate them. Oh, in this e become IE. This e and this e will become IE, and only in these two. Other we follow the same pattern like this. Least, least. Yeah, the same pattern that have been followed, but in these two we add a IE instead of E. Same as in sehen. Siehst, siehst. Yeah, but in this you can see that we didn't add another s. Oh, we add the s. We didn't add another s because s is already there. Same is here. Now there is another. Take the verb tragen, laufen, fahren. They follow the same pattern, and a equal to a with umlaut. So here, now you know how we change them. All other are same, but the change with du and RGS. A become a with umlaut. Yeah. This is the same pattern that I have been follow. A changes to A with umlaut. Now take the verb nehmen. It follows the different pattern, but all others are the same. Only du and RCS is nimmst, NIMMST and IMMT, nimmst. Du nimmst, RCS nimmt. All other follow as we follow in regular verb. These two are the change here. Now we just conjugate them. Some other word, lesen with R. What is it? Yeah, just change it. L here. E is equal to IE. This E is equal to IE. So it become LIEST, least. In Essen, we follow the E is equal to I. Here A is equal to A with umlaut. Schlafen is A is equal to A with umlaut. E is equal to I. Sehen is also E is equal to IE. Tragen is A is equal to A with umlaut. Laufen is also the same, A with umlaut. Treffen E is equal to I. And nehmen is totally different. Let's see. Ist, fahr, schläft, spricht, sieht, trägt, lauft, trifft and nimmt. Yeah. Let's see how we use them. heißt Rahul Gupta. Kommt aus Kanpur. Wohnt in Berlin. Lernt Deutsch. Now we use the irregular word. Liest gern Bücher. Liest, Li, that we learned. We had E is equal to IE. Isst gern Pizza. He eat gern pizza. Spricht Hindi und Deutsch. Sie heißt Priya. Sie kommt aus Goa. Sie wohnt in Delhi. Sie lernt Deutsch. Sie sieht gern Fern. Sie liest gern Zeitung. Sie liest gern. She read a lot newspaper. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any concern, any doubt, you can just write it below. Have a nice day.